In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some great weeds killer spray using only 3 ingredients. All you need is vinegar, dish soap, and kosher salt. And you're going to want to use a lot of vinegar. I recommend mostly using vinegar, and if you use this 30% kind, then it's going to be a lot stronger than if you use something that you get at a grocery store for cooking. The dish soap is just kind of a nice little additive that helps it stick to plants. Then make sure to use plenty of salt. I recommend about 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of it. You can put it all in this nice sprayer bottle and kind of shake it once you get all the ingredients in to stir it all together. The vinegar is what's doing most of the heavy lifting here, but the other ingredients definitely help with killing the weeds. I also really recommend pairing this with this high phase sprayer bottle. This is electric and it has a push button on it, which makes it super easy to spray weeds even from a distance. So then once you make this, just put it all in the bottle, go out and start spraying your weeds. And then after the first day or so, you should notice that they really start to wilt. Sometimes you do have to do multiple treatments to really get rid of weeds, but this works on anything: grass, dandelions, other weeds that are in your garden beds, or also in rocks too. I love using this setup for killing weeds and rocks.